lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I clean my car, because my car hasn't been cleaned since before I went to college. So it's almost been a freaking year since I've actually like deep cleaned it. So yeah, I feel like your car you just kind of forget about. Yeah, today I'm going to be cleaning my car and taking you guys along with me, and then at the end of this I'm going to be giving you guys a car tour after I finish cleaning it and like decorating it a little bit. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is get the supplies to clean the car. So I find them in this garage. It's a mess, but I believe in us. Does my hair really look like crazy? Okay, so I found the supplies. I got the sponges, the scrubber, the buckets, the dish soap, and the tire wet. Whatever that does, I don't really know. All right, hose is here, and there's a giant spider blocking it. So yeah, we're gonna let Jake get that. She's about to get clean. Okay, so we just what I was saying was we just finished cleaning the car, then we went inside because it was hot, and now we're back out to clean the inside. Okay, we got the trash and stuff out of the car, so now we have to vacuum it because it's very, very dusty. Okay, so I just vacuumed the car and it looks so good now. Now I'm gonna take my cleaner and clean the car and then probably put some Febreze in here because we gotta make it smell good. To make it smell like game. Now we're gonna put the blanket back. This gives my rides in the car. My dad doesn't want her claws to scratch it. So I'm gonna put scrunchies on this because that's visco. And that's what this video is, so. And then I'm gonna put my charger cord in here. And then of course we have hand sanitizer because coronavirus. And then I got another scrunchie, extra bug spray, and then some cleaner. So I have these two little hand sanitizers. I put hand sanitizer in there, so I have some more. I have this little car air freshener clip for up here on the like mirror. And I have my favorite scent for it, which is Tiki Beach. So I'm gonna put that in there and then put it up. It's really cute. I really like the little fox. Then I have these two Polaroids of me and my dog. I really want to like hang some up here. So I think I'm gonna get some tape and then I'm gonna hang them up here. So they're up here on my little wind visor thing. And I think they look really cute. Okay, so this is the passenger side when you get in. So here I have all my scrunchies like I showed you guys. I put them here. I think it just adds some pizzazz. And then over here I have my mask. This is by Reuse Mask LA. I love this mask so much. It's so much easier to breathe out of than like the N95 ones. And then in this secret compartment that's not so secret anymore because I just told you, I have my dad's mask is in there. And then I have punch cards for when I go back to school just to get free stuff. Right here is obviously the radio, the air conditioner. And then I have a charger cord right here plugged in. And this also is an aux cord so I can just plug my phone directly into the car so I don't have to worry about Bluetooth because sometimes that does wacky things. Then in this little compartment, whatever this thing is called, let's see, there's more masks. Gosh, I have like 20 masks in here. So there's an N95 mask and then there's a black mask from Amazon. And these, my brother must have put in here the other day. So in this compartment, I have 2 hand sanitizers because you can never have too much hand sanitizer. Then I have this little flashlight for whatever reason, you know, you just never know. I have a little thing of cleaning spray, so if I need to clean something, that is in there. This is a bug spray I made with essential oils because sometimes we go for walks. Then I have some bobby pins and a scrunchie, and then I have regular pins in there as well. And up here on this wind visor, I have my air freshener that I showed you guys from Bath & Body Works. Up here is like a little compartment that there's nothing in, but there can be. Then in this box up here, I have baby wipes because these things are lifesavers. There's like the car manual. There's a Trench CD in here because 21 Pilots is bae. We have some poop bags for when we take Gizmo for a walk, and then some more N95 mask. And this is just like car stuff in there. In this door, I have hand sanitizer because coronavirus. In the back, we have my blanket for when my dog rides back here. And yeah, there's pretty much nothing in here. All the pockets, I believe, are empty. And then right here, there's this little rest thing that comes down that you can put drinks in. Then in the trunk, I have an umbrella because it rains a lot. So, duh. And then I have a blanket in case I need another one for Gizmo. I think underneath there is a tire. And then there's like a secret compartment here that has my wind visor and then some more car equipment. So there's not much in my trunk. Don't got much junk in my trunk, but yeah, that's pretty much it. See, that's pretty much it for this video. I had a lot of fun filming this and I'm really happy that I did it because my car looks 20 million times better. Like, I have to have stuff clean, so it's kind of funny that I haven't cleaned my car, but you know, it's clean now, so it's all good. I've actually never done one of these car videos before, so if you guys like this, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to drop your video suggestions because I want to know what you guys want to see so I can make videos for you guys. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Deeper once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something bad.